Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal and peanut butter cookies. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of creamy peanut butter and 1/2 cup of softened butter. Also, have 1 1/4 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to complete your delicious cookie base. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract, then gradually mix in the peanut butter until everything is well combined. Finally, gently fold in the rolled oats. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a spoon or a small cookie scoop, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them. Almost there. After the initial cooling, transfer your delicious oatmeal peanut butter cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. Once fully cooled, store them in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain their freshness for several days. These cookies are perfect for a snack, dessert, or sharing with friends and family. And hey, while you're enjoying these treats, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description for a link to the Oatmeal water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.